This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel. From reading the title, you already know what magic is about to happen. We are at day 11 of the Advent Calendar series. I'm going to try not to get weepy on y'all, because I've just been having so much fun unveiling a daily goodie and doing holiday-inspired art. There has been so many little tutorials and holiday nail art looks that I've wanted to do throughout the years, and finally I'm getting to do them, and I am just geeking out hard. This is definitely my happy place. So without further ado, let's see what's behind door number 11. And we have, drumroll please, the most darling milky white polish with silver and white flakes. This baddie is called Clouded Pearl. Now she is beautiful in both glossy and matte, but for today's design, we are definitely gonna matte this girl and show how stunning she truly is. In my nail studio, I have a range of gorgeous Madame Glam colors, but I don't have a lot of milky whites, so I was over the moon that they gave us 2 milky gels in this advent calendar, but both are very different. The first one is more of a snowfall, and this I would say is definitely an abstract winter storm nail, and I am living for it. So we are going to take polishes from both day 2 and day 6 to truly make this set shine. Now look, she's matte. Isn't it so gorgeous? This is a feast for the eyes. And if you didn't want to do any nail art, it already has such great depth and dimension with all the flakies that you could literally matte it or gloss it and have the most darling manicure. But it's the holidays, so we gonna get out the holly bush. How you doing? Now, on another nail off camera, I did do a mistletoe bush as well, just to give that extra flair when you look at the 3 nails. But I absolutely love how the holly bush turned out, and it would not have been as dynamic without the Fireside Embrace. It's day 2. That red is out of control. Look at it. She's perfect. I don't even have to shade those berries. They got all the color you need. You feel like you could just pluck that off. But then again, you probably shouldn't, because I know mistletoe is poisonous. I'm not sure about holly berries, but I feel nature just tells you if it's red, don't touch it. In Batman Returns, the 1992 classic, Batman says to Catwoman, "Mistletoe can be deadly if you eat it, but a kiss can be even deadlier if you mean it." And that line just gets me every time. And my partner on the sideline, she actually just piped in and said, "Oh yeah, baby, holly is very, very poisonous, and so is mistletoe." It's so interesting that it has become an age-old tradition that you kiss under mistletoe. But we kissing over some that's poisonous. It's like, okay, I love you, don't eat it. I really hope that you've loved today's holiday-inspired look. The vibrancy of the greens and reds with this milky polish was everything. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for making this Advent series so special. And tomorrow, though it will be bittersweet, I cannot wait to see you for the 12th day of Advent. Mwah! I love you guys oh so much. See you in tomorrow's video.